Let's talk about something important that most productivity apps ignore: your finances. GripIt includes a finances section because we believe true productivity isn't just about getting things done. It's about building a sustainable, balanced life. And financial clarity is a huge part of that. Let me show you how it works. Click on Finances in the menu. The Finances section helps you track your income, expenses, and overall financial health. You don't need complicated accounting software, just simple, clear tracking that gives you awareness. Let's start by adding an income source. Click Add Income. I'll add monthly salary. Let's say 2,000 euros. Category: Employment. Frequency: monthly. And I can add a note: from Senpai, SEO role. Now let's add an expense. Click Add Expense. I'll add rent, 600 euros. Category: Housing. Frequency: monthly. This is a fixed expense that repeats every month. Let me add another one. Groceries, 300 euros. Category: Food. Frequency: monthly. And one more: gym membership, 50 euros. Category: Health. Frequency: monthly. See how quickly this builds a picture of your financial situation? Now look at the overview. GripIt automatically calculates your monthly cash flow. Income minus expenses. In this example, 2,000 minus 950 equals 1,050 euros left over each month. This simple awareness is powerful. You can see exactly where your money goes and how much you have available for savings, investments, or new projects. Here's why this matters. Financial stress kills productivity. When you're worried about money, you can't focus on your bigger goals. GripIt helps you bring clarity to your finances so you can focus on what really matters. Come back here weekly or monthly. Update your income and expenses. Track your progress toward financial goals. This isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. You can complete the Net Worth tab in a similar manner. Click on Net Worth at the top of the Finances section. Net worth is simple. It's what you own minus what you owe. Your assets minus your liabilities. This number shows your true financial position. Check it out if you have some time. And that's finances. Simple tracking that brings a clarity and reduces stress. There is some more you can get from the Finances section, but we'll talk about it later. Search for Monthly Projects tutorial. In the next video, we'll explore more core features. See you there.